Okay, here's Nicholas climbing up medium
Good job.
difficulty.
Good job, buddy. Way to use your hands. Put your foot there. Put your foot there. There you go.
Thataway.
Good job, buddy.
There you
You're
go.
doing great.
Good job, Nicholas.
Come on, you got it.
You can
There
scoot
you
over
go.
one. There you go.
buddy.
Now get your left leg up on that other one.
Okay, move your left leg up, buddy. Move it up. Move it all the way up there. He's already done it. That left leg.
Yeah.
There
Scoot
you
over.
go.
Yeah, scoot over just a little bit more. Can you?
Put your right foot on the other one.
Can you get over one?
There
There.
you go. Good
Use
job,
those
buddy.
toes. There you go.
There you go, buddy.
Nice. Way to go.
Woo! Okay.
Good job, Nicholas, our other rock climber.